friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look at Bepro coin. What's the price change goes and a Bepro network? What's the high price of Bepro coin? And what is the current status of Bepro and cryptocurrencies markets? In this video I will show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest updates. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 7 day, last 1 week price prediction of the Bepro coin. The price change occurred in the previous last 7 day. You are watching now on a screen, friends. That is if we look, the average change occur in the Bepro as about with negative 27.77% chance occur in the Bepro coin. Oh my god, it's absolutely bad change. Oh, I never saw this kind of change negative. And the high price of Bepro coin is about $0.028961 is the high price of Bepro coin in the last 7 day, friends. If you look the chart analysis of the Bepro coin, so absolutely a bait falls occur in the Bepro coin. As you can see here, gradually falls down, and if we look at this time after 8 April, they start explosion. They give a decision to take a explosion for a small time, but after a small explosion, after a small pump, they again falls down. As you can see here, frequently falls down. The period of the Bepro coin are start in the previous last two days. The previous 2 days result tell us that they take a small jump. After a small jump, they again falls down. That's continuously, that's a frequently periods occur in a Bepro coin. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. That is the last 7 day, the last 1 week price prediction you are watching now, which are also in negative, very bad. Now that is, friends, the last 1 day price prediction at this time you are watching now. So friends, if we look the last 1 day, as I told you in the start of this video, so in the last 2 days this start explosion, but an explosion this take a jump for a little time, and after a jump they again falls down. As you can see here, again falls down. They recovered their jump in the previous last 1 day, friends. If we look, the average change occur in a Bepro, so the last 1 day as about positive 2.49% change occur in the Bepro coin, and the last 1 day, and the high price of Bepro is about $0.020344 is the high price of Bepro coin in the last 1 day. Absolutely good change occur, but unfortunately the falling gain falls of the Bepro coin. This change will make a very bad in a Bepro coin. That's the last 1 day price prediction. Now let's see the current status of Bepro coin in the cryptocurrencies markets. Now let's see the last 1 hour price predictions. What's going at this time in a Bepro coin in a market, friends. As you can see here, at this time a Bepro coin is also in the falls. If we look, the average change occur in the Bepro coin is also a negative 0.08% chance occur in the Bepro coin, and the high price of Bepro coin is about $0.01816 is the high price of Bepro coin. If we look, the current price of the Bepro coin in the market is about $0.018064 is the current price of the Bepro coin in the markets, friends. That is the last 1 hour. That is the currently at this time live price prediction of the Bepro coin in the market you are watching now, friends. So friends, it's time to decide. It's the best time to buy, sell, or hold Bepro coin. As you can see, as you know, that the last 1 hour price prediction, last 1 day, and the last 7 day price change are also in the negative, as I show you in this video, friends. So according to the price prediction of last 1 day, last 7 day, last 1 hour, my decision for all of Bepro holders, that if you are a holder, so please hold your Bepro coin, because now at this time they are also in the loss. So when they start explosion, when they start pumping upward, so it's a best time for all of you. So please wait for their pumping, wait for the explosion. When they start explosion, and and at this time you sell it. And if you want to buy, if your plan is to buy a Bepro coin, so when they start a high explosion, it's the best time for all of you that buy a Bepro coin. Now it's time to hold Bepro coin with the last of this month. My plan is that I'm also a holder of Bepro. That is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold it with the last of this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box about the Bepro coin, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.